in Carrickfergus, only for nights in Ballygrand. I would swim over the deepest ocean, only for nights in Ballygrand. But the sea is wide, and I cannot swim over, and neither have I the wings to fly. I wish I had a handsome boatman to ferry me over. My love and I, my childhood days, bring back sad reflections of happy times we spent so long ago. My boyhood friends and my own relations have all passed on now, like melting snow. And I've spent my days in ceaseless roving. Soft is the grass and my bed is free. Ought to be back now in Carrickfergus, on that long winding road down to the sea. Now in Kilkenny it is reported on marble stones there, as black as ink, with gold and silver. I would support her, but I'll sing no more now till I get a drink. 'Cause I'm drunk today, and I'm seldom sober. A handsome road sick now. My days are numbered. Come on, you young men, and lay me down.
Good evening. Well, during the period 1939 to 1945, there was a very big war going on all over the world. They call it World War II everywhere, except, of course, in Ireland, where we called it the emergency. Now, during this emergency, England had suffered a lot from air raids and all that stuff, so they sent for some of our fellas to go to England and help to rebuild essential services like houses and roads and bridges and probably a few pubs. And while they were there, I suppose they helped to make England into a fit place for Irish people to live in. And a lot of the lads who went over at that time found work with a man by the name of Mr. Robert McAlpine, as he was then called. But in the meantime, he did away with so many paddies that they saw fit to make a lord out of him. And on his deathbed, he didn't die in a building site or that, and he died in bed. And when he was dying in his bed, his last words were, or so they say, was, if the men wish to honour my memory, let them keep 2 minutes silence, but keep the mixer going and keep Paddy behind it. And this is about him and his little gang.